Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of the variegated plant, often known as Serissa Japonica Variegata or snow rose. Look at this foliage. Each leaf is a glossy marble painted with creamy white edges that perfectly frame those delicate star-like white flowers. A tree of thousand stars with a frosty white trim. This evergreen shrub belongs to the Rubiaceae family. If the sunlight is too low, the plant will lose its variegation. And if the sunlight is too intense, the fragile white edges will scorch easily, turning crispy brown. The key to maintaining the variegation is finding that perfect narrow balance. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy because the variegated version is slightly weaker and is even more susceptible to root rot. Always use a highly pure, well-draining potting mix. Fertilize your Serissa Japonica Variegata during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer. When it comes to pruning, gently trim back new growth to maintain shape and encourage bushy growth. Prune after it finishes blooming to keep its desired form. This plant is actually a popular choice for bonsai lovers thanks to its small leaves and adaptable growth habits. If your plant sheds its leaves, the causes are often environmental shock, moving the plant, or shifting watering. This happened to me recently due to the busy few days. I left my plant unnoticed and due to heavy rains, it shed every single leaf. The sight of a bare plant can make you feel like a terrible plant parent, but don't panic. When I found my snow rose at the brink of death, shedding its leaves and showing signs of root stress, I knew I couldn't save the main plant. My emergency strategy was to take cuttings immediately. I found a few stems that still felt firm. By God's grace, as of right now, those cuttings are starting to sprout tiny new leaves. It's a miracle and proof that this tough plant has a strong will to live. If you experience a sudden crash, follow this strategy. It's your best chance at saving your plant's genetics. Patience is the key while you wait for those new roots to develop. Keep an eye out for pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and scale. Ensure good air circulation around your plant to prevent fungal diseases. The variegated snow rose, Serissa Japonica Variegata, is a breathtaking challenge. It asks for stability, demands high humidity, and requires the perfect amount of light to maintain its dazzling white edges. But as my own recent battles proves, even if you fail, you can learn and you can rescue. The reward of those brilliant frosty blooms is absolutely worth the effort. Thank you for joining me today. Keep nurturing your green thumb and I will see you in the next video.